guys, this project that I'm going to show you is part of the collab with Home with Cassie, where we're getting rid of or using up Dollar Tree items. And I had posted a video about some items that I have not yet done, that I've been procrastinating, that I need to get done. And this is going to be one of them. This is the laundry sign that I wanted to show you. I've done one where I cut out the vinyl on my vinyl machine, but I wanted to show you that if you do not have a vinyl machine, you can do this with these stickers from Dollar Tree. And here is what I have. This is a sign from last Halloween that I kept, and I'm just gonna paint the back. Well, I did paint the back. I painted it white just so that you don't have to watch me painting, but I painted it white. You can paint it, spray paint it white. You can use chalk paint. You can use any color actually that you want to use, but this is what I chose. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this stuff ready here on the table so that I can kind of show you how I am going to put this together. I'm just getting all my other craft items out of the way. And there's two that you can use. This is the one I'm going to use, but there's also this one. You can arrange it on a long sign, or you can arrange it the way they have it here on this. Let's see. Oops, sorry about the lighting. How they have it here on a square. You can make it any way you want. They made it into a square sign. All right, now I'm going to point this down, and then I'm going to start decoupaging. Okay, now this is our sign. This is the decoupage I'm going to use, and I'm just going to see, instead of you watching me paint, you get to watch me put the decoupage on. But it doesn't take that long, and we don't need it to dry first, so that's why I would prefer you to watch me decoupage than to watch me do all of that. So now we're going to gently pull this off. Throw that away. Take it off here. And then very carefully place it on. And reposition it so that it's even. All right. And then just go ahead and decoupage over it. And there you go. Now you have a sign to put up in your laundry room. All right. There we go. Now the next thing to do is just to decorate it with some flowers. All right, now it's still drying, but we're going to work on the edges while it's drying. I'm going to take this ribbon off. Okay, and I have some paint here, and I'm going to use this makeup sponge. This is one of the tools I use when I stencil paint too, because you could stencil this on a sign as well. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go around this edge with some black just to give it some detail. And we're not going to worry too much about some of these minor minor mess ups, because that's what makes this look authentic. Oops, sorry. Okay, and see, we've got black all the way around those edges. Now, here's something that I'm really trying to be super careful. And then we just kind of smudge. As you can see, I'm just painting on the plastic, the sticker as well. We're just coming in and giving it and then just kind of blending in these lines that I made. And now see how it looks like a dirty old sign. Now, if you ever feel like you've overdone it, you can always take a wet paper towel and blend it out. right, now here you have your old country sign for your laundry. And then if you want to embellish it with some flowers or ribbons or bows, you can do that. You saw how I embellished mine in another video, so I'm not going to do that on this video. I'm kind of going to keep this one short and sweet and easy. Alright, that's my second video for the Use Up My Dollar Tree Items project collab with Home with Cassie, or Casey, sorry, Home with Casey. Sorry I'm butchering it, but thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you later.